Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're making egg muffins and we're doing it 3 different ways. And of course there's an endless number of ways you can do it, but these are my 3 favorite. And we're gonna meal prep these. I wanna show you how to prep them up. We'll do it say on a Sunday, and then all through the week you've got a nice healthy protein packed meal that you can grab and go if you want, or just eat it at home already and just heat it up real quick. Your kids will love them as well. They'd be great for their lunches, in their morning. They can have it for breakfast, or they can have it after school as a snack. So I'm Rockin' Robin, and I'm going to show you how to do it right after this. So let me tell you what the 3 flavors of muffins that we're going to be making today. The first one is going to be sausage, which I am using Aidelle sausage here. And what I'm going to do with that, it's already cooked. I'm just going to cut it up into small pieces so that I get a little piece in every bite of my egg muffin. I have some yellow onion here, which has already been finely diced, and that's ready to go. The last thing we're going to be adding to this is a sweet potato. So we're going to peel our sweet potato. I'm going to chop it up into small pieces, just like the sausage. And then we're going to place the sweet potato and the onion into a small frying pan with some olive oil over medium heat, and we're going to cook that for about 5 to 8 minutes. After about 3 minutes of cooking this, turn your heat down to low and cover this for a couple of minutes. That'll speed up the cooking of the potato. Our second flavor is full of vegetables. I have some broccoli here that I already steamed. That way it's not too crunchy inside your muffin. It just tastes a lot better when you pre-cook them. I have some spinach that we're gonna chop up a little bit, and that way we can sprinkle it in. We've got some medium cheddar cheese. And we're going to top this with some toasted almonds. I like the toasted almonds on top, that way they stay nice and crunchy. Our last version has a little Mexican flair to it. We're going to be adding some tortilla chips to this and some onions, as well as some mild green chilies that are already finely diced. We'll finish it off with some cheddar cheese as well. Now I want to show you my layout, because this is important when you're meal prepping. You want to have everything laid out and organized. I got all my food prepped up now, and this is what we're going to be cooking our muffins in. I have some muffin tins here lined with silicone cups. These make life really easy because they don't stick to it. Now the last thing we have to prep up is to put our eggs into this Pyrex dish that has the little spout so you can pour it. To that I'm going to add the cottage cheese, a little bit of garlic powder, some salt, and pepper. We're going to whisk that up, and then we'll be ready to fill our muffin tins. Okay, let's start with our sausage and sweet potatoes. So I'll just take a spoonful here and put some of that in. And this part goes pretty quick because everything's prepped up. Let's get some of that sausage in there too. And it's beautiful that you can just, put as much as you want or as little as you want, or change up the ingredients to your liking. Possibilities are endless. Now I like to fill them up pretty full with the good stuff. You can see I kind of layered it in here. All right, that's pretty good. I'm gonna give my egg and cottage cheese mixture just another little stir. Now again, you can pour this in or you can ladle it in, whatever you want to do. Sometimes it's good to go ahead and start pouring it in and then finish it, ladling it off. Let it settle, because all that liquid's gonna work its way down in between all the pieces of the food there. Now my ratio to eggs and cottage cheese, I don't think I mentioned it earlier, is 4 to 1. 4 eggs to 1 cup of cottage cheese. Now I like to fill these up pretty close to the top. Now our next batch is the broccoli, spinach, cheese, and toasted almonds on top. And I'm going to do a little bit of cheese there and layer that in so it's throughout the whole thing. Feel free to use any cheeses you like. You can use any vegetables you like, asparagus, broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, anything you like, but on those in particular, I would say you'd want to pre-cook them a little bit. It'll just turn out nicer and you'll enjoy it more, I believe. I'll tell you what's good is garlic powder in your eggs. If you've never tried that, you must try it. It's awesome. And now for the toasted almonds. And I just kind of put those on top, kind of push them in so they stick a little bit. All right, I added another egg to my mixture here with the cottage cheese because I was running out. And now we're ready to do our last our last batch of muffins. So I've got a little green chilies. Sprinkle some of that in the bottom. A little bit of onion. Now for some tortilla chips, I'm gonna break them up so they fit in there and just crack them in. At first I was concerned these were gonna get a little bit, mushy, but they didn't. So that's awesome. Okay, and we do some cheese. Then I'm gonna do another little sprinkle of chilies. Just continue to layer the ingredients until it's pretty full. Here goes the egg mixture on top. And then with these, I like to finish them off with some chips just sticking on top, and they stay a little more crunchy. Now, these are gonna go in the oven, 375 degrees for 30 minutes. While those muffins are cooking up, if you would like to subscribe to my channel, now's a good time. You could click that subscribe button and the bell next to it, and it will notify you when new videos of mine come out every week. All right, so I have a question for you. Which of these muffins are you gonna make? Let me know down in the comments, or maybe you have your own combination of vegetables and cheeses or whatnot. So let me know, I'd like to hear it. All right, everybody, that's how we make our, egg muffins for breakfast. Makes a great meal or snack. It's simple to do. It was much quicker to make than it actually was for me to shoot the video. I mean, it goes really quick, and it's just a great thing to eat, and to prepare up. It's a real time saver, so I recommend you try it. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you have any recipe requests or questions about, this particular recipe or other questions that you might have about my channel. I'd love to hear them down in the comments. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next video.